Hi, this is Devin again from Angry Squirrel Computers and Graphics. Today I'm going to be disassembling to remove a failed hard drive from a customer's laptop. This HP 15 model laptop. It's pretty simple and straightforward, but there are a few hidden screws, and I'm going to point those out to you so you can safely get to the hard drive to remove it. So let's get started. First of all, for those of you that really want to know exactly which model this one is, it is a model 15-AC151DX model. So pretty much standard operating procedure. Remove the battery, that right there. Okay, there you go. Battery's removed. Now, there are just a few screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but there are 2 hidden screws, and I will show you where those are after I remove the screws that you can easily see. There's 1, 2, and I am using my screwdriver with the magnet on it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, 10 screws have been removed of the ones you could see. Now, the ones you can't see are right here underneath the little rubber feet. You have to get a sharp object or a thin screwdriver to actually remove the backing . As you can see, there is a screw right there that is holding the corner pieces together, that's holding the actual lid down. If you do not remove these 2 screws, you will not be able to remove the backing to get to the hard drive and memory. Okay? So there's one. Here's the other one right here. I'm using an X-Acto knife just so that we can just like lift it up, so we can get to the screw. And there's the screw right there, if you can see it, right there. Thank goodness for magnets. All right, there's that. Now, all you need to do is basically just pop this apart. What I do is I just use like a guitar pick, or you can just try to use your fingers to take this apart. Okay, hold on 1 second. See, I just started at the corner right here, as you can see, and then with your fingers, obviously take the CD drive case out first, or else you won't be able to open it. And there you go. So pretty much do not forget to remove the CD DVD drive first, or else you will not be able to pull this off. Right there. Now that the insides are exposed, here's the hard drive right here. There's the memory. The CPU fan, if you need to clean it out, dust it with a can of compressed air. If your battery goes bad for the keeping the time, there's your CR2032 CMOS battery. There's the wireless right there. So pretty much, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory at this point. If you do want to remove the hard drive, there's a few screws that you're going to have to remove right here. There's screw number 1. This is the failed hard drive, so it doesn't really matter. There's screw number 2. Right there. And there's screw number 3. Okay. And all you have to do, slide that out right there, and you can pull this out, and there's your hard drive right here. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to basically, after the video's done, put a new hard drive in its place, reinstall the Windows, and put the lid back on it, re-screw everything back, and everything will be good to go. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the YouTube video below. I always answer my comments, so thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you guys again. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.